Hey there, my name is Tyler Ostern. I'm lead ambassador and advisor for iHouse. Recently we've heard a lot about this term ATO. It stands for Asset Tokenization Offering. It's become incredibly popular in the crypto space, however, not many people actually know what it means. ATOs are used to convert the ownership rights of an asset, or the future usage rights of an asset, into a token via smart contract. These tokens can then be bought or sold on an exchange or held in order to prove ownership. Say for example, you and your friends wanted to buy a piece of land, but shared the usage rights. Blockchain technology enables us to break the land into tokens which represent portions of the land. We can then distribute them to their respective owners based on how much they've invested. These transactions can all be performed on the blockchain without an intermediary, meaning that this is a trustless system. It is typically cheaper, more reliable, and faster than traditional routes. Tokenization will change the way that we do virtually everything. We at iHouse are pioneering the technology behind tokenizing commercial real estate usage rights, and we're incredibly excited for the future. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic day.